Hey Mo from HotJet, how the heck you doing? Thanks for taking a look at one of our coolest installs. We got us a Nissan, I don't know what it is, minivan. We stuffed our XtremeFlow 2 in it. A real jetter in a cool little truck. Surprisingly didn't squat it down. Load weight's 1,420 pounds. Kind of cool. Come on down. Come on down. We're gonna put the Powered by HotJet right here on the side. Freddie, come on, what's important? What's inside?
Okay, sir.
These are homemade videos. All right, look at that. This is the new 800 GXI Honda fuel injected, tons of torque, high compression, beautiful, beautiful engine combined with the TSF 2021. We crank it, dual feed it, we modify it, solid 10 GPM, 4,000 PSI on this unit. Got the exhaust coming out. You got your drain right here where you can drain the water. Because you don't really want to run full in this little van. They are pretty dang stout though, I'm surprised. Filter access, jump jet access, service access. Look at the other units that are out that are in this category. This is a lot more money. If you want cheap, I tell people go buy cheap. You'll go buy 2 of those, buy 1 of ours. Every jetter we've sold in 20 years that I've kept records is running. Very, very few have had anything we can't fix. That's what I love about our equipment. Honda, look it up. Would you rather have a Honda or some exotic motor? We looked at Yamaha. We looked at Kawasaki. We also have Vanguard, which is Toyota. They're getting in short supply right now. Where are we at? Halfway through 2022? I didn't think I'd live this long, so it's hard for me to remember. But take a look at that. That's a solid little install. Man, I love it. Come on in the back side. And here's the beautiful part. Ask your other supplier, hey, is this going to be a hydraulically driven reel? They go, oh no, it's a POS electric. Why would you want it? This is hydraulic. You got your full controls. Throttle on the fly, remote control. Alex, I got to thank him. This is a badass jetter. Got the hook in so we can do wash down. We can also, this is our XtremeFlow 2 cold water. Hydraulic pump. I mean, what a beautiful job. In and outs right here. You got your guide so you can go to the slider if you need to. Got a premium Hane reel. This package comes complete. Call us for pricing. Pricing's changing about like water heaters, right? Or anything with metal. Yeah, I was gonna say up and down. Nothing's going down, it's all going up. We're all getting screwed by the man. I'm gonna call it what it is. But you know, we're in the plumbing industry. Plumbing's an essential industry. So hopefully you can make it back. But we'd love to be your jetter supplier. This is one of the coolest installs I've seen that we've done. So again, it's not cheap. You have to call us for the price. I don't know off the top of my head, but it's one solid industrial duty setup. Take care. Call anytime. We can do all types of custom installs. See ya.